Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and today I'm interviewing attorney Bill Deely. We're both with the law firm of Schwartz and Schwartz. Bill, can you take a moment, introduce yourself, and talk about your background as a criminal defense lawyer?
As Ben said, my name is Bill Deely. I didn't go to law school until I was older. I went to law school when I was 50 years old. I intended to be a prosecutor when I went to law school. My first summer in law school, I worked at the U.S. Attorney's Office in Philadelphia, and quite frankly, I was overwhelmed by the arrogance of power that they displayed. I enjoyed criminal law, so I thought I'd try criminal defense work. And if I liked it, I'd stay with it. If I didn't like it, I'd go back to business. I went to work as an intern at the Public Defender's Office in Philadelphia, and that's what I've done ever since. I've been a criminal defense lawyer since that time.
And before joining Schwartz and Schwartz, what did you do?
Well, after I worked a couple of years, 2.5 years approximately in Philadelphia, I moved to Delaware, and I worked for a couple of years as a public defender in Delaware, and then I was moved to Kent County, and for the last 15 years or so, I've been supervising the Kent County Public Defender's Office until January of this year, and then I moved to Schwartz and Schwartz.
Question for you. Do you know how many cases you've tried?
God, it would be in the hundreds. I couldn't give you an exact number. Probably a couple hundred cases.
What are your favorite types of cases to try? Do you have, I guess I should ask, do you have a favorite type of case to try?
I really don't. One of the things about being a criminal defense attorney is you get to learn a lot of different things, whether it's forensics, gunshot residue, fingerprints, DNA samples, medical work in personal injury cases where an alleged victim has been injured. It really covers the entire spectrum, and you learn a little bit about everything.
Do you feel that you're passionate about handling criminal cases?
Absolutely. I think anybody that knows me would call me passionate about my job.
And do you have, Bill, I want to ask you, do you have any tips for folks out who might be watching this on the internet? Do you have any tips for what to do if they have been arrested or if they've been asked to come in for questioning or interrogation in a prospective criminal case?
Well, if you're asked to come into the police station, you see on TV and the newscasts where they talk about a person is lawyered up and they can't expect the people to talk when they're lawyered up. The best advice I can give you is get a lawyer. Do not talk to the police. They will act like they're your friend. They will attempt to get you to talk about whatever the issue is. They may tell you that's the way you're going to get to go home. The police are allowed to lie. You are not. Your lawyer is not. So don't talk to the police. Ask for an attorney. Your rights are that you can have an attorney present during any questioning, whether you're arrested or not arrested. If you're under suspicion, ask for an attorney.
Thanks, Bill. I appreciate you taking the time to answer some questions today. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. My guest is attorney Bill Deely. We are with the law firm of Schwartz and Schwartz with offices in Wilmington, Delaware and Dover, Delaware. And we offer free consultations in criminal defense cases in the state of Delaware. So if you find yourself on the wrong end of a criminal prosecution, or if you've been contacted by the police and told that you need to come in either for questioning or to present yourself for being arrested and processed, then please give us a call. Our main office number is 302-678-8700. Thank you for watching, and contact us if you need us.